Coach G here with Tackle Trading. Welcome to the June 25th, Thursday, 2015 market recap. This is how I do it. I go to Tackle Trading, jump into Trade Center. When that pops up, hit the little news tab right there, and it will bring up the most current news from briefing.com. This is a free service in Tackle Trading to everybody who accesses it. So please take advantage of it. I hope you're doing it right. At the end of the day, the stock market update, you'll see the titles every half an hour all the way through the close. Here's the most recent one at the close of the market at 16.15. S&P 500 settles below the 50-day moving average. What I like about the last report of the day is it breaks down everything, play by play, what happened, in case you missed what happened in the market. It's a news-driven market, so now's the time to keep up with the news. Stock market registered second decline. 50-day moving average was broken by the S&P at 2107. I'm going to take note of that. The S&P is below the infamous 50-day moving average that everybody's watching. And really, when the market's going sideways, you don't need to look at the moving averages anymore. They're only good for trends. And the market started out with slim gains, but gave it up because of the Greek news. They're waiting for a better proposal. And then again, we have some news in healthcare. Hey, there's Humana, one of our stocks in the option report. That little spike of $13 helped us quite well today. Congrats to all those guys that held on and watched that support hold on Humana. But what I like about this particular news is right there. It says right there, moving the market. S&P below the 50-day moving average. No progress between Greece. Healthcare sector outperforms after a Supreme Court decision. That's the main stuff driving the news in the market today. So it only takes a minute to plug into the news. So that's how you plug into the markets if you missed anything today. Also, you can look at the S&P. We're in this little wedge here, and we're waiting for that news. We're waiting for this infamous Greece news that's been lingering for year after year after year. I don't know June 30th if they're going to finally make a decision or not, or not make a decision, but once again, we could get some volatility out of it. How am I playing it? Just an idea. I am doing a very, very, very cheap spread on this, playing the upside and downside. I call it my Condor Straddle or my Condor Strangle or Twin Peaks, whatever you want to call it. But basically, I'm doing a put Condor for 22 cents that expires next Friday and a call Condor. They're both debits. They're about $25 each. That's my risk tolerance. That's $50, exactly $49 to be exact is my risk. If it does not move, if it moves down anywhere from 1 to 3% on the news on Monday, I'll make $35, which is double, almost double. But the max profit there is $151. You can see it in the left-hand corner down here, $49 risk, max profit $151. On the call side, same thing, $151 reward, $49 risk. If you have a $150 reward, $49 risk, that's a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. I like that. I'll only do a couple contracts because it seems like there's a news event every other week with Greece. So I don't want to put a lot of money in this, but if I'm right 1 time out of 3, I'm doing good. So this is a cheap way to trade. This is an advanced option strategy. Plug into Tackle Trading. Keep up with the education, and see you in the next report.
The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com